Good evening, Amit, Aarti, Deepak, Indraneel, Jayashri, Joe Daniel, Parthasarthi, Prerna, Vijay Sagar, Vishal Kalra. Great to have all of you today here. We have some 5 minutes, so I have you already shared your challenges in the link that I had shared in the WhatsApp group. Let me give you the link again. So wonderful evening. Yep. You may just want to share who you are, what you do, where are you from, and what do you intend to learn. While we are waiting for others to join in, it will be great to know who you are, what you do. Sita Lakshmi, welcome from Hyderabad. That's awesome. And what is it that you intend to learn this week? Deepak from Gurgaon, welcome. Sita Lakshmi is a happiness coach for women. Okay, that's awesome. May I know more about, good evening, Jayashri. Yes, may I know some more, where are you from, what you do, and what is your intention this week? What is it that you want to learn from me? You signed up with some intention, right? When you signed up for the Facebook campaign that we were running, you would have a certain expectation out of coming into this program. So may I know what is it that you are looking to learn from me? Sita Lakshmi is intending to learn how to plan my authentic social media presence. I love that. Beautiful. Authentic is a powerful word there. Yes, you'll definitely learn how to do that this week, right? Deepak Kumar, I'm thinking to take my career into digital trainings related to my experience and expertise. So, what's your experience and expertise, Deepak? And that is the intention, right? How to convert your knowledge, your subject matter expertise into a digital product, right? Which you can, it's a way you can clone yourself, right? So, when you pre record your courses, you can create automation funnels where you can keep selling the courses on their own accord, provided you price it lucratively. Otherwise, the sales does not happen like that. You will have to give people a glimpse into your offering by doing this kind of sessions the way I am doing, or a weekly weekend kind of a workshop. So there is a whole strategy for sales. Okay. So, but the first step is having a product. Otherwise, what will you sell? What is it that you will sell if you don't have a product, right? So Deepak, 17 plus experience into supply chain procurement and quality. Work with Honda Cars and Tata Motors. Okay, that's a great space to be in. Supply chain procurement. You can convert your experience into an online course, build your digital asset, right? Wasim is from Kolkata. He's a wedding photographer, and he wants to extend business digitally so he can achieve his goal. Beautiful. Okay, so what is stopping you, Wasim, right now? What is it that is stopping you right now? What is it that is stopping you right now? I'm just trying to get one more link for you guys, questions link, so we don't lose the questions. Otherwise, so many in the chat, we miss all the questions that keep coming up. I'd already given that link in the WhatsApp group. You already have that, but it is good to keep it handy. I'm going to keep it handy. Yeah. Proper business strategy need to grow more. Yes. This is, yeah. So if you're, that's a good space to be in, Wasim, because you need a proper strategy. The whole digital presence is all about strategy more than execution. Strategy. But if strategy is right and execution is not happening, then you are stuck. So both are important, strategy as well as execution, but a specific strategy in place on how to build your influence, what kind of content to create, what is it that your audience are seeking, what is the need of the market, do you have an offering that suits the need of the market, how will you make sure that what you share is in alignment to what the market needs. Right? So there are this. Thank you so much for bringing this up because this is the agenda of these 5 days. So it's not simply about recording your course and publishing it on a common platform and simply doing a Facebook campaign or just uploading your videos or post here and there and expecting people to come to you. Right? That is a wrong expectation. So even during these 5 days, we will also learn how to set your expectations right. Right? Yes. Yes, Wasim, both are important. Jayashri is from Mumbai. She's a yoga teacher, acupressure trainee, teaching handwriting and calligraphy, wants to teach Vedic math shortly, have a collection of books. Okay, would like to offer them for sale online at best prices. I have a few Telegram channels where I publish about holistic health, okay, nature and online education. So where are you stuck, Jayashri? What is blocking you? Where are you stuck? You want to bring all this under one roof with a brand and establish it. Great. I'm here to learn how to do that. Thank you for having me here. Okay, welcome on board. Okay, so you will get a lot of powerful insights. So I think we should get started. Welcome everyone who has joined in a little later. So those who have joined in before, we just got into a conversation trying to understand who you are, what you do, what's your challenge, what is it that you intend to learn in these 5 days. How many of you have gone through my introductory video, which I shared in the WhatsApp group, know more about me? So I don't want to, spend time talking about me. So the context is said, whom are you learning from? Sita Lakshmi has gone through it. Who else has gone through the introductory video? Shiv Kumar has gone through it. Shiv Kami has got through it. Thank you so much. What about others? Kamlesh Vari has gone through it. Sagar has gone through it. Awesome. Akshay Kumar has seen it. Great. Rucha has also seen it. All right. Great, guys. So it's very important that, can we have some agreements for this week? So today's session is all about getting to know each other. I will be sharing the 3 stages of the knowledge business. I will also be helping you find out what's your real challenges. Okay, because unless you know what is it that you want, or where are you struggling with right now, what is the number one growth blocker, there is no point in going ahead. Okay, and what are the skills you need to acquire. So we are doing the context setting today. Okay, getting to know each other, context setting, and some agreements and announcements that I have because this is a community learning. We are all on a common platform and we need to respect each other's space. So can I have some agreements from you guys? Okay. Even before we start, can we have some agreements? Yeah. Absolutely. I have been in Nisha Ashram from December 2018 when I did my inner engineering. There from January 2019 till January 2020, I was in and out of the ashram. So I took a sabbatical of almost 20 months and I've completed most of the Isha programs, almost all they have to offer. Yes. Great. So, okay. So the question is, yeah, agreements, right? So we'll respect the space that I have created, and all of you are also part of that space, that community learning space. I'm going to be opening the WhatsApp group. Can we just have your assignments and relevant questions on the group? Can we all do that? Can we just focus on the assignments and the sharings that you need to do on the group? You will not promote your websites, your YouTube links, any of your offerings. Please do not use this platform to promote them. Is it okay? Can I have an agreement from all of you? Thank you so much, Nilesh. Thank you, Kamleshwari. Thank you, Shiv Kumar. Thank you, Rucha. Thank you, Jayashri. Sita Lakshmi says, I commit. Thank you so much. Mehnaz Hussain, thank you. Sangeeta, thank you so much, right? So that's very important. And one more request I have is that when somebody is sharing their work, so they are expecting inputs or reviews from whom from whom are they expecting the reviews and comments? From your teacher this week, right? Yes. So can we honor that? Can we not start asking them questions or giving advices and inputs to their work? Is it okay to do that? Is it okay? Can we stick to that? Thank you so much. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you, Sita Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kamleshwar. Thank you for your agreement. Thank you so much. Right. So, that's what I have seen in the past, that sometimes people simply come to collect the leads. The group has all the phone numbers. So I have a request for those people who have come to do that. Please don't do that, because you're simply spoiling your reputation. Even if you are good in what you do, people don't buy like this. People don't simply buy like this. They will block and report you if you reach out to them just cold. It is called cold calls, right? There is enough information in the market, right? So that is not the right way to promote your products or offerings, okay? Because it is simply ruining your own reputation, right? So I intend to create. I have absolutely zero issues if people want to get connected, collaborate. Somebody likes your offering, all those things. But that has to happen outside these 5 days, because these 5 days are very, very focused to your learnings that really matter for your growth. Okay. So let's keep the forum like that. It is a sacred learning space. If you agree, type in the chat box, sacred learning space. SLS, sacred learning space. And all of us have come together. Thank you so much, Jayashree. Thank you, Amrita. Thank you, Sita Lakshmi. Thank you, Wasim. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you, Sagar. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, Joe Daniel. Wonderful, guys. Joe Daniel, I'm sorry. Hari Krishna, thank you so much. Sangeeta, thank you so much. Sacred learning space. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Truly honor and respect your agreement, right? So I intend to create a gupshup. Okay, I intend to create a gupshup session after 5 days where you can share what you do. Okay, which this will happen on Saturday at 11 a.m. Okay, where you can, those who still want to continue here, we can come over, we can just have a pure gupshup session, what you do, you can talk about your products or services. Someone would like to get connected to you, I have absolutely no issues. I would be happy to facilitate that. Okay, because this is the era of collaboration and growing together. There is nothing called competition. But I just want to make sure that we stay focused on the course in these 5 days. Make sense? Right? All right, awesome, guys. Right? So, okay. Now, as far as every day, we will be having the session at 6 p.m. The Zoom link remains the same. The Zoom link remains the same. It is updated in the group description of the WhatsApp group. At times, I may have time to send it before the session. At times, I may not. So make sure that you have the joining link available to you. It's in the group description, number one. Number two, recordings of the session. In the past, I have kept the recordings open for until Saturday, Sunday, Monday, as people have requested. But I realized that people just want to own the recordings and they feel I have access, I will do it later, and that later never happens. Okay, so I want you to make the most. Once you have committed, you're financially committed to learning, right? Doesn't matter how much amount, but you are financially committed yourself and your time. Okay, so make sure that you are dedicated to this forum for the coming 5 days for your own growth. Okay, so recordings, this time I'm experimenting with something new. Monday recording will be available. Day one recording will be available before until 5:30 p.m. of next day. Day two, 5 p.m. of day three, and so on, so forth. Okay, only one day I will keep the recordings, day one, open, so that you are in a sense of urgency. You are in a sense of urgency to go through the recordings and not comforting yourself that recording is available forever. Okay, so day one, if you missed, you had some assignments to take care, stretch yourself, stretch yourself. Okay, so is it all right? Is it all right, guys? Is it all right if I keep the recordings at a limited time access? It's not because I don't want to share that information with you. By the way, I'm all of you, if you continue to be associated with me until May 30th, okay, I have a surprise for all of you. Okay, continue, not necessarily paid, paid community members, even free. Okay, I am very happy if you continue and you show up for the sessions that I keep doing, because I see the number of people who keep coming back, and that is why I open the forum to the past members also. You are definitely in for a wonderful surprise. Okay, but this will happen on 30th of May, not now. Okay, it's a surprise that I'm keeping for all of you. Great, awesome. So we have recordings, we have the timings. Anybody has any questions on the logistics? Every day I deliver live sessions. We will also have a Q&A every session. I will try to keep aside time for Q&A. I will do the review of your work, and every day 1, 2, or 3, depending upon how many people have submitted. I'm allocating 15 minutes for review and Q&A. 15 to 20 minutes for review and Q&A every day. Okay, makes sense? Anybody has any questions? Anyone has any questions so far on the format of the program, on what you are going to receive? There are a lot of bonuses. You will keep getting the bonuses. Yeah, you will have assignments to do. Okay, right? So let's get started. Thank you, everyone. I really welcome all of you into this forum. Thank you so much for trusting your time, your money with me. And I'll make sure that you get the most out of the time that you're going to be spending with me. You will get powerful insights and wisdom to create your knowledge business in a step-by-step, structured, sequential manner, and you know the direction in which you need to be taking actions. Make sense? No, you will not be able to download the recordings. You will not be able to, at this stage, no, you will, Nilesh, you will not be able to download the recordings. Okay. But wait until May. Continue to learn from me. There's a huge surprise. Nobody has ever done this in the market, but I'll wait. Why 30th May? It's my birthday that day, and I really want to return gifts to my community members. Okay. All I ask, I really want to see your involvement. I want to see how hungry you are for your growth. So this is the first batch I'm sharing this. So if you continue to show up for the free sessions that I do every Tuesday, 9 p.m., I have started a series called Business Satsang Series. Business Satsang Series. I will be sharing the link for that. Let me do that right away so that you guys can register there. Business Satsang Series. Yeah, I got it. I'm going to be sharing in the chat box. So every Tuesday, 9 p.m., it is open to everyone who wants to continue to learn from me. It is too early, I'm asking, because you haven't even heard anything from me. So why would you join the satsang? Okay, but just keep the link handy. Okay, if you feel like you want to be part of this community, I'll be sharing that again. All right. So let's get started. Right. So that's okay. The recordings will be of Business Satsang. I will be uploaded on YouTube, and you have forever. It's a public link, and you will have access to that. Okay. All right. I saw your message, Deepak ji. All right. So let's get started. Now, first of all, how many of you here want to build your knowledge business? How many of you want to build your knowledge business? How many of you don't want to build your knowledge business? Okay. Everyone wants to build a knowledge business online, right? Yes, Deepak wants to build, Kamleshwari wants to build. That's superb, guys, right? Now, what does, see, when you say I want to build my knowledge business online, what does that mean is you must have a product or service to sell, right? Product or service, right? Now we are talking about creating your own digital products. It's time to create your own products. But what kind of products? Digital products, right? Now, some of you, I hope everyone in this room wants to digitalize and monetize and market their knowledge. Is there anyone who does not want to create online courses? Because in the past, I do see some business owners who have come to this program because they want to learn some marketing strategies. You can continue to participate, because what I am going to be doing is setting the foundations of your business, right? So you are going to learn whatever I'm teaching. You can apply it for your physical products and services also, even though you're not interested to digitalize your or create courses, create and sell courses. If that is not your interest and you still happen to sign up, don't worry, you can get a lot of insights and marketing strategies for your business, because I'm also setting the foundation of your marketing, right? Okay. So which happens through my GPS system, and that is a very powerful system because it becomes the anchor for your business, any kind of business. I will be giving you a lot of entrepreneurial hacks, mindset shifts through during these 5 days as well, because it is not simply about recording a course, publishing it and promoting it. It's not about that. And that is why if you're simply doing that, you're struggling to make sales, you're struggling to get leads, you're not getting enough visibility, you're not getting the eyeballs that you are seeking, right? So how to get the eyeballs? There has to be a strategy. So we will be looking at the strategy part of it, and we will also be looking at what are the tools, digital systems that you need to use to get this whole digital puzzle working for you. Make sense? Is that what you came here for? Is that what you want to learn? Superb. Your education system be registered? No, you can operate it like an individual, but if you want to build a serious business, then it makes sense to register a proprietary firm. And because your all the tools cost and whatever use Facebook campaign money, all of that become your business expenses. Okay. Otherwise, it is going from your taxable money. If you are simply taking it in your personal account, whatever spend you are doing from your personal account, you are spending your taxable money. Versus if you create a business out of it, you register a firm, all these investments, I'm not going to call a marketing spend. That word I don't like. Okay, because you need to understand what is a spend, what is an expense, and what is an investment in your business, right? Your operational cost, your marketing cost, they are all investment, because you are expecting a return on your investment, right? So it is important that you create a proprietary. If you don't have a firm, how many of you are already entrepreneurs here? How many of you are just solopreneurs? I mean, individuals how many of you are employees here, and how many of you are entrepreneurs already, solopreneurs running your self-employed? You can be a single person, that's perfectly fine. Solopreneur. Akshay Kumar is an employee, okay. Solopreneur. Dinesh is an employee, all right. Joe is an employee. Shiv Kumar is self-employed. Rucha is a freelancer. Freelancer से better word है यार, solopreneur. Okay. Freelancer थोड़ा lower vibration है. Okay. Solopreneur. Call yourself solopreneur. Awesome. Wasim is self-employed. Amy is an employee. So those who are employees here, you are what is, I mean, you want to become entrepreneurs? Are you an aspiring entrepreneur? Would you like to change your designation from employee to an aspiring entrepreneur? If you would like to do that, type in the chat box, aspiring entrepreneur. or aspiring solopreneur. By the way, if you have a subject matter expertise and you want to really convert it into digital products, I would like to give you a new designation. Is it okay if I give you a new designation? Because that is what I call myself. So I am building a community of knowledge givers, and knowledge givers will be called, they can call yourself, you can call yourself I-preneurs. I, as in I, single I, insightful, innovative entrepreneur. I, as an insightful, internet, innovative entrepreneur. Or I, as an internet, insightful, innovative entrepreneur. 4I. Make sense? If you like that, type in the chat box, I am I-preneur. And okay. So I would love if you would just record a video, a short video on your phone and say, hi, I am Jayashree from Jayashree, whatever city you are in. Hi, I am Vandana from Bangalore and I am an I-preneur. Okay, and you can send it on the WhatsApp group. Hi, I am Jayashree. Hi, I am Sita Lakshmi from Hyderabad. I am a yoga teacher or whatever you do, and I am an I-preneur, where I stands for I, innovative, internet, insightful entrepreneur. Why I'm not saying information entrepreneur? Because this is not the era of information. There is information a problem? And if you're trying to build your knowledge business with information, please stop right here. Please stop it right here. Why? Because you will simply end up wasting your money, time, energy, resources, because your business will not sustain. Only if you have some real insights and wisdom to share, which comes from your experience. Right? There is a difference between knowledge and experience. What is valuable? Is knowledge more valuable or experiential knowledge is more valuable? You can read books on swimming, how to swim. That is knowledge. That is information actually. That is not even knowledge. Information. Okay. If you can read all the books in the world, you can watch all the videos in the world on how to swim. Does that make you a swimmer? Thank you so much. Sita Lakshmi says experiential knowledge. Yes. I will open the WhatsApp group. Okay, I'm just opening it right away. Done. Okay, done. Okay. Thank you so much, Rucha. Who mentioned Rucha? Thank you so much. I've opened it. Yes, right. So unless you swim, when you are swimming for a few days, your information is getting converted into knowledge, right? And then when you actually have been swimming on regular basis, every day, okay, and you come up with your own hacks on what are the tips you can apply to swim, or you have a better way of teaching someone how to swim. You are actually, your information has been converted into experiential knowledge. And suppose you become very good at breaststroke or backward stroke or whatever, that you have been putting consistent effort, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Now when you share your swimming knowledge, you are actually sharing some insights, right? And when you become state champion or the national champion, and you're winning always, then what you share is wisdom. Make sense? So now you're talking experiential knowledge, which becomes insights, deep insights and wisdom. So it is very important that as a knowledge giver, if you have information, right? You continue on this journey only if you have great subject matter expertise, experiential knowledge, because then you are in it for long term. Make sense? Then it makes sense to build serious business. Make sense? Serious business. How many of you would like to create a serious business out of your knowledge? Serious business. Type in the chat box, serious business. Vishal wants to create serious business. Kamleshwari wants to create serious business. Wasim serious business. Partha Sarthi serious business. Dinesh serious business. Neha serious business. Amrita serious business. Shiv Kumar serious business. Vishwanath Sahu serious business. Jayashri Agarwal serious business. Sita Lakshmi serious committed business. I like the word commitment you have been using, Sita Lakshmi. Superb. Hari Krishna serious business. Pallavi serious business. Radha serious business. Ekta serious business. Akshay serious business. Awesome, guys. Love your energies, love your participation. Thank you so much for being here. I'm super excited to be your host. So, to build a serious business, first you need to create your own products. Now you can sell other people's product also. That's called affiliate marketing. Okay. That's called, I'm setting the context. Okay. Please note that every word that I speak is in context to the program. I will not even utter a single word which is out of context. Okay, I value your time, but I am a free flow speaker. I love to share whatever the batch needs because every batch is different. Okay, so I don't restrict myself from sharing something if it is flowing. So I think you will get used to my style in 5 days. And those of you who are time conscious, I really apologize. I'm not one other typical trainer, coach, mentor, consultant in the market who simply come, have an agenda for the day and just finish it on time, because their intentions and agenda is different. My intention and agenda is very different. So if you can align to me, great. If not, you can always take a call to opt out and look at the recording. All right. Okay. So in order to build a business, you will have to sell your products. Now the question is, own products or someone else's products? You can do both. You can do both. But it is very important to have complete control on your business. And that happens when you create your own products and you also become an affiliate for other products, which is in alignment to your offerings, okay, and create additional income streams. But there has to be a strategy to do that, okay? Because if something happens to the affiliate products, the company closes or they are taken over, you have too much dependency on them for your livelihood, for creating a business, then your entire life's work goes for a toss. So it is very important to have complete control on your business, and that is possible for knowledge givers because you can build your own digital products. Make sense, right? Now, you have the product, assuming you have the digital product. Now, what you need to do? You have to sell that product, right? You have to sell the product, right? So the first step in the knowledge business is digitalization, which is creating your first digital product. Now, which product to create? That is what I will cover tomorrow, and digitalization. Day 3, we will do monetization. Day 4, I am going to be sharing your journey ahead with me. Day 5, I am going to be covering the marketing, digital systems and tools that you need. Okay, so that's the agenda for 5 days. Day 1, I'm just context setting. We are understanding why you should be in the knowledge business. Day 2, we will look at digitalization. Day 3, monetization strategies. Day 4, your journey ahead with me. And day 5, digital systems and tools. And we'll also be looking at the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle that really matters for your growth. We will also be looking at 5 pillars of marketing, digital marketing, 5 pillars. Okay, what it takes to use all the tools that are available, Google Ads, Facebook campaigns, autoresponders, learning management system, payment gateways, right? Analytics tool, lot of tools are available, right? But how they all integrate and connect together for you to get the desired success that you are seeking from your online presence. Make sense? Is that what you want? All right. So you need to sell something. So you are creating your own products. And once you are able to successfully do that, you will add on, if you want to, other products that are in alignment to your offering. You become affiliate for those products. That's how you create another revenue stream for yourself, along with selling your own products, own digital products, right? So selling your digital products. So creating the course, creating digital products, selling the products, and then building your business, serious business. That is the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you on, on the three stages of knowledge business. First stage is digitalization. Which course to create first? I'm sure many of you here have multiple courses to create. May I know what is the courses that you plan to create? May I know what is your subject matter expertise? Kindly type in the chat box. What's your subject matter expertise? Okay, commerce classes, great. For 11th and 12th, very good. Geospatial agriculture, that's wonderful. That's a nice, unique niche. Image consultant, Shivkami, okay. So you may be having multiple products, right? Ekta is IELTS, all right, very good. Sita Lakshmi, life is a celebration, okay. But now, okay, so the way your course names, the way you name your course is also very important. Okay, so the name of the course should be such that the goal or the outcome your clients get should be there in the course name. Life is a celebration is it's a great punchline, but your course name should be goal oriented, right? What is the outcome of your program? That should be there in your course name. Okay. Let's look at some more. I'm going to increase my this chat ka size. Just a moment, guys. I'm missing some of your, okay. Comp and IT engineering, superb. See, so the guys who are subject, experts, like you want to teach commerce, accounts, engineering, drawing, maths 3, okay, the comp and IT engineering, very, 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 this is very easy for you guys, okay? But for my life coaches, spiritual coaches, business coaches, consultants, image consultants, it is a little tricky, okay? Why? Because it is difficult. See, these subjects, people have a need, students have a need. In other programs, you have to, though there is a need, you still have to create enough need and interest in your offering. So two different approach to the subject teachers and to the life, business and spiritual coaches. Okay, makes sense? Great. Image consultant, numerologist, mindfulness coach, insurance education. Yes, yes. So if you, Vandana, yeah. Sita Lakshmi is saying we'll work on it. All right. Deepak Kumar, need to go. All right. Yes. Healthy mind, happy life. Very nice. But you can also add one more very powerful word to it. Okay. Healthy mind, happy life blueprint. Healthy mind, happy life formula. Healthy mind, happy life model. Healthy mind, happy life challenge. Make sense? Make sense? That becomes your unique course name. All right. So see, that's what I love these free flow sessions, and I really appreciate your cooperation, guys, because those of you who have been coming back session after session, you know that every session is different, right? So because the need of my target audience, the need of my people who are here today is different. And I just want, because my intention is that I give what you have come to receive. And that is why I have asked you to set your intention that what is it that you want to receive from me. I'm not using the word extract. Okay, I'm not using the word get. I'm asking the word give. I'm using the word give and receive. So as knowledge givers, your choice of words is very powerful because words carry vibrations. So if you set the intention that what is it that you want to receive or learn from me this week, I am setting an intention that whatever you need to receive should flow from me. All right? Great, guys. Yes, lovely. Create that is very much in demand, Akshay. How to create videos, easily. Okay, because that's a huge challenge for many people. Okay, how to create videos easily. So I have created a video on how to create videos easily. Okay, which I am going to give a recording to all of you. I don't want to discuss that in the session and just say, I want all of us to make the most of our time together here. Okay. So whatever can be done in an automated manner, I'm going to give you that in an automated manner. I want you to do your assignments, take actions, because only actions will give you result. Otherwise, it is just an intellectual kick that you are going to get out of my event, my sessions. Okay. I don't want any wisdom courier in my community. You know who is a wisdom courier? Do you know who is a wisdom courier? Those who come to learn and then they go and talk about whatever they have learned, without any intention to apply it in their own lives. They are called wisdom couriers. Okay. So is there any wisdom courier here? Is there any wisdom courier here? Okay. Great. Awesome, guys. So we don't have any wisdom courier. Everybody here is intending to take actions. Please type in the chat box, I am an action taker. I am an action taker. Type in the chat box if you intend to take actions out of these learnings. Type in the chat box, I am, and mean it, mean it, mean it. Okay. Not for the, if you don't want to take actions, be in acceptance of that. I have simply come to learn. I have no intentions of taking actions right now. I will take after 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, whatever, or I am a wisdom courier. I like being that. Be in acceptance. Don't have mixed feelings, mixed emotions, mixed thoughts, because it is, you are training your subconscious mind for that. Please be in acceptance of whatever reasons you have come here for. Okay, great. I have so many action takers. Sagar is an action taker. Vishal is an action taker. Sita Lakshmi is an action taker. Rucha Dixit action taker. Shiv Kumar, Kavita, Neha, Jamie, Hari Krishna, Radha, Kamleshwari, Vishwanath Sao, Amrita Shankar, Pallavi Sharma, action takers. Superb, guys, right? Super proud of you. Super proud of you, right? So now, where were we, right? So, digitalizing your course, how and what should be the strategy behind that, we are going to cover in detail tomorrow. Okay, then monetization is experimenting your offerings with a few handful of clients, 10, 20, 25, 30, earning some money. Okay, reinvesting back into your business. Okay, so you're comfortable with it. Okay, so your current income is not impacted because of what you want to do right now. And then when you start getting some results for yourself and for your clients, and you really want to be in this business, then you market and scale your business. So these are the 3 stages. Digitalization, which course to create. There are 4 steps. I'm going to be covering that tomorrow. Monetization is creating your first course, pre-recorded course. Okay, why? Because it is helping you clone yourself, and you can just have online sessions like this and sell your courses. Okay, and then when you get some little traction, your clients are happy because they are going to help you fine tune your content. Okay, they are going to help you enhance your content. Okay, so you do that with a small set of people, and when things are working fine and you are happy with it, and you know what will be the budgets involved and what kind of effort it needs, there's nothing called overnight success. Okay, online business has its own set of challenges. Offline business has its own set of challenges. Okay, online business requires you a lot more effort. Okay, so but it gives more ROI. Okay, you can easily start making 3x. If X amount is your investment, 3x you can earn within 6 to 1 year, 3x, and gradually it can go up to 5x and 10x also. That is why this is a highly lucrative profit making business, because the cost of inventory is very less. If you are a network marketer, Herbalife products, right? You have to buy those products. There is a cost of inventory. I have a gold and diamond showroom. I have worth crores of jewelry in my shop. There is a cost of inventory. In knowledge business, you yourself are the inventory. All in here is your inventory. I'm saying that make your digital products your inventory, so you record only once, right? See, if you want to buy a water bottle, right? You can't give one water bottle to 100 people. But when you create your digital course, One digital course, 10 are buying, 100 are buying, 1,000 are buying, 1,000 are buying, 10,000, 1 lakh. The cost of creating that product is only once. And that is why it is a highly profitable business. And because I have been into 7 diverse businesses since 2006, this is a really powerful stuff. Okay. Right. And this business will allow you to convert your annual income into your monthly income gradually. How many of you would like to convert your annual income into monthly income? How many of you would like to convert your annual income into monthly income? What would it do for you? Money solves a lot of problem. Money is important, right? Yes, excited. I am also super excited, guys. Super excited. Okay. So, great. Just type in the chat box annual income to AIMI. Annual income to monthly income. So that should be your revenue goal. So write in your journal. How many of you created a new journal for this session? Please write in your journal your revenue goal. Whatever is your annual income, you should try to make that as your monthly income. That can become a little longer, long-term goal, 3-year goal. Okay, your 1-year goal can be whatever is your annual income, half of that annual income. Okay, you can try to make that as your monthly income, a 1-year goal. Okay, half of your annual income. 6 months income, try to make it as your annual income, a short-term goal, which is 1-year kind. You can also have a 3-month goal, which is your 3-month income as your 1-month income. 3-month income as your 1-month income. So I want you to define your revenue goal. Okay, I know that all of us want to make money, because money in the hands of good people can do a lot of good in this world. Agree? Money in the hands of good people can do a lot of good in this world. So congratulations, guys. Take your right hand out and give a pat on your back. Why? Because you are creating impact in others' life and then making money for yourself. Isn't that a great space to be in? You are not selling liquor bottles or cigarettes or tobacco or fast food, right? That is causing problems in people's life. You're changing the mindset of people. You are giving job skills, career skills, which is helping people get a great quality life, right? You are changing the consciousness of this planet. You are creating a more prosperous and growing and giving world with your offerings. So isn't that such a beautiful space to be in? That you are in the create impact and make money niche. You are not in the make money niche kind of thing, right? You are creating impact first and then making money. How many of you want to create impact and make money? Type in the chat box CIMM, create impact and make money. CIMM, right? That is why, your knowledge is gold. Your knowledge is gold. Okay, your knowledge is gold, and gold is malleable. That's why your knowledge, subject matter, expertise, all in here is gold, malleable. I'm saying make it tangible product. Convert it into a digital product, right? Kamleshwari wants to be CIM, Vishal, Vishwanath Sao, Nilesh, Jayashri, Sita. Great guys, beautiful. So you know why this is a super profitable business? Because you can build this business right in the comfort of your home with no deposits, no rental deposits, no rentals, no employees, no shipping also. Just you, your laptop, and a great internet connection and a handful of useful digital systems and tools. That is why it is one of the best business models to be in. And I say that knowledge givers. Do you believe you are a knowledge giver? Type in the chat box, I am a knowledge giver. Type in the chat box, I am a knowledge giver. Yes, Sagar is a knowledge giver. That is why knowledge givers, अपना time आ गया. अपना time आएगा नहीं, आ गया. The whole environment is facilitating it. Thanks to COVID, The way the people have been learning, there's a huge shift in the way people are learning now, right? The way people are learning online, students or parents have oriented to learning online. Everybody wants to learn online. And which is the platform that have got lost lot of boost in these COVID times? Udemy, right? Udemy is a platform which is, there are a lot of learning management platforms that are showing up. This is the era of learning. Everybody's talking about e-learning, e-learning, e-learning. Great, right? This, when somebody wants to e-learn, there must be somebody who is e-teaching, right? So welcome on board e-teachers. Okay, Udemy has about 50 million users. Okay, their revenue is around $555 million, and they are consistently growing. Okay, and there are only 1.5 lakh users. Now that number would have gone up. My data is a little old, right? So do you see an opportunity in being a e-teacher, a e-coach, a e-consultant, right? So that is why this model is a super lucrative profit-making business model. All you need to do is shift from offline to online ways of doing business with lowest investment possible. A huge wave of opportunity exists for knowledge givers. Okay. So all you need to do is shift from offline to online. And until the world is ready for offline, you can later have a mix of online and offline. All right. So it's time to create your digital products. It's time to build your digital assets. Okay. Forever existing digital assets. And if you are in some conventional products like yoga, astrology, numerology, which is evergreen, okay, diet, nutrition, evergreen products, you can actually build your digital asset and pass it on as a will. Pass it on in your will as an inheritance. How people give their gold and cash or whatever real assets. Your knowledge becomes your assets. Your digital products becomes your asset. Make sense? It's time to leave your legacy on the planet by digitizing your knowledge. It's time to significantly transform the way you are generating your income, because knowledge givers apna time aa gaya. And all this without spending a fortune. Even if you feel tech challenged, I have never done business before. Okay. For that, you will have to get some new skill sets. You have to acquire some new skills. The world is changing. New world, new rules. That means the new ways of doing business, you will have to get skilled. Right? So now let us also look at some of the evolution of business models, right? Earlier, we used to have brick and mortar stores, right? Brick and mortar stores, retail stores. Then we had the era of, software companies. So even Nokia had they had 100 plus offices across the world, and they got sold at $7.5 billion. But then there was an era of technology oriented business platforms like Amazon, e-commerce platforms, right? And then, YouTube made its first $1 billion in less than a year. And Whirlpool took about 86 years to make their first $1 billion, right? So we also have seen the era of aggregator businesses like Ola, Uber, Airbnb, Swiggy, and all those things, right? So these are all platform-based business models. Facebook is a platform, Google is a platform, Twitter is a platform, LinkedIn is a platform, WhatsApp is a platform. Just like that, Udemy is also a learning platform, right? And WhatsApp, with just one office and 55 employees, got sold at $19 billion, right? Guys, the entire world is shrinking into your laptop, and COVID has simply changed the landscape of education. The education industry has turned flip side down, right? Even before COVID, look at the way we were communicating, from letters to emails to now WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, right? The way you are making payments, from banking, offline banking, to online banking, internet banking, to Paytm and GPay and all those things, right? The way people, everybody, even a roadside vendor is on Paytm, right? Even a homemaker is using technology to order food. So no one is untouched by technology right now. The way you are watching movies now, your broadcast is happening on Netflix, right? But thanks to COVID, it has created a huge opportunity for teachers, because teachers will be new leaders in this world. We are entering the Gurukul model, because everybody needs a great teacher in their life, and the environment is facilitating that. And that is why I also call this business model the new age golden business model, because we are entering the golden age of our planet. Okay, and teachers will be new leaders. Everyone needs a right teacher in their life. Either they are seeking a great career, or quality of life, or spiritual consciousness, whatever it is, you need great teachers. Don't you feel that I wish if I had known this before, I wish my life was different, I wish I had someone who told me about this? And that is why experiential knowledge will create great human beings on this planet and raise the consciousness of this planet. And experiential knowledge will also create the new leaders. So teachers will be the new leaders, mark my words, right? So I also wanted to show you, something. I'm going to do a screen share now. All right. Look at this, right? I'll do a full screen here. See, now look at this. I am sure you guys understand the need. Why I see you're forced to, are you forced to get into the knowledge business or your online business because circumstances are forcing you? Or do you see a huge opportunity? So let me show you this technology adoption curve and how it impacts you, right? If you see any technology in the market takes about 8 to 10 years for volume acceptance of that technology. See, Android, the development began somewhere early in 2004, 5, 6 time frame. So there are people who are innovators of the technology, right? And then there are early adopters of that technology, okay? And then so sometimes around 2008 to 10, we had early adopters. And then around 2010 to 14, we had early majority on Android. And from 14 onwards, we also had the late majority, people joining in more and more Android phones, right? And now because of COVID, everyone, even a 80-year-old, 90-year-old people, everyone who has been forced to come on technology, people who were averse to technology, didn't know how to use Zoom, have learned how to use Zoom, right? So finally, everybody has come on technology, right? So same thing in the knowledge business, whatever we are going through right now, it is not that it is suddenly happening, okay? So around 2010, 11, 12, there were people who were innovators of this knowledge-based online business, okay? We have Pat Flynn, okay? And many others, okay? So they all started, converting their knowledge into digital products. And they had a challenge of 5 to 7 years to make the most of their online business, okay, knowledge based business. They struggled, okay, but as more and more people started doing that, somewhere around 2015, 16, we had early adopters. Even until 18, we had people early adopters. Now 2019, 20, we are actually in the early majority. And now in last 6 to 8 months, there are a lot more people who are coming on this online based business models, especially thanks to COVID. We are in the early majority phase of creating this knowledge business online. Okay. Sooner or later, you will have to be doing this. Okay, if you miss this wave of opportunity, you will be in late majority. And those who are still thinking whether you should be doing this or not doing this, you will either be outdated or you will have to come on it later, 2 years, 3 years down the line. You will be in laggards, right? So the advantage early adopters and early majority get because of a fast mover advantage, you lose out on that advantage the more you delay this opportunity, because do you agree that sooner or later you will have to be doing this? Can if there is a Oxford teacher converting his knowledge into a course, will and I my daughter wants to learn from him right in the comfort of my home at low cost. At low cost, the cost of digitization is low, right? She will get access to a world class teacher right in the comfort of her home. So my question to you is, where do you see yourself in this curve? Innovators and early adopters gone. You have a choice: early majority, late majority, or laggards. Do you see that sooner or later you will have to be doing this? Right? There is a huge opportunity of riding this digital wave. Make the most of it, guys. Recently, my husband and my daughter went for surfing, and they directly didn't take the surfboard and entered the waters, right? There was a practice time, preparation time, right? And after preparation time also, I had a lot of learnings from that episode, that after preparing on the sand for some time, when they go to the wave, they have to wait for the right wave to come. They have to wait for the right wave to come so they can sail through. 1 second before, 1 second after, they were falling down, right? So it is very important that you ride this wave of opportunity that is available to knowledge givers right now. And for that, you will need some know-how of the digital world, right? So I want to know, what are your challenges right now? Okay, what are your challenges right now? What are your challenges? I don't know how to make videos. I don't know what digital systems to use. I feel tech challenged. Okay, I don't know how to digitalize. Whatever is your challenge, I want you to identify what is it that you're struggling with right now. Okay, Sagar wants to be an early majority. Great. Neha wants to be an early majority. Early majority. Yes. Parthasarthi. Yes. You don't know how to sell your videos. Okay, all right, we will see the monetization strategies, how to sell your videos. So now there are a lot of things I can talk. So one day we will just do a Q&A, or maybe after the session, and then we can look at, I want to understand more. You have already created the videos. Is it on YouTube, or you are having a learning management system, or I don't know, I need to understand more to answer that question. So tools, all right, some of the tools we will look at. So there are two things. Now you will learn the tools, the name of the tools, what tool is used for what purpose, right? But then using the tool, right? That is how to use the tools. These are like, you need to have spent some learning curve, right? So you need to, there is a learning curve. Okay, you need to get skilled. See, when you wanted to earn, when you started your profession, right? You spent 10 years in school, 12 years KG1, KG2, 12, 10, 12, 10 plus 2, 14 years schooling, 4 years or 3 years of graduation, 2 years of post-graduation, and some of you who are PhDs. How many years of your life you have invested? How much time, energy, your resources, your money you have invested to be able to generate some income, to get into the profession of your choice? So many years you have studied, right? Now, things are getting outdated. Recent budget, our government has invested more than 60% of the budget in defense, renovating the weapons, new weapons, because the old weapons are all getting outdated. So our skills have also got outdated because the world has shifted. So you spend so many years of your life getting the skills to earn your income via a profession or business. Now this digital world is a whole together different ball game. So how many years of your life you will have to invest to develop that skills? Or do you want to become an expert in the digital world, or should you be learning the language of the digital world as much as is relevant to you, right? So do you want to get into digital marketing as a person who is executing the digital marketing, learning all the gamut of tools? Or do you want to know that if you are outsourcing your work, what is it that you will assess your partners, the technology partners on, to make a right choice? So there are two things you have to ask yourself. How much am I willing to invest my time and effort learning the digital world? How much deep should I go? Or I must know as much as is relevant to me to be able to do what I do best, which is content creation. Okay. Or do you want to become a digital marketer? Do you want to own a digital agency? Do you want to get into the digital business? Then it makes sense to learn each of these tools. And please keep aside 3 years minimum. No 6 months and all. Digital marketing in 6 months, you will only know shallow. And we have so many digital marketing people who are struggling to find work. And the kind of salaries they get are very less because there is like a vanilla. I am a digital marketer, vanilla ice cream. Okay. So it is very important that how much you must know. And as an entrepreneur, taking that decision, how much you must know and how much you must outsource is an entrepreneurial mindset. Now, if you want to save money, you have to put more time. If you want to save time, you will have to invest your money. You cannot have a trade-off. You cannot get that right balance between saving time also and saving money also. That will not happen. Set expectations right. Right? So the problems are a fear of getting started. All right. So that is your internal challenge. So there are two types of challenge. One is an external challenge and one is an internal challenge. Okay. Internal challenge is in your control. You need some mindset shifts. External challenge is something where you really are helpless. Okay. You don't know how to do a Facebook campaign. You're helpless. You don't know how to make videos. External challenge, helpless. You don't know how to sell. That's a skill, helpless. But you can acquire all those skills. Right? Internal challenges also a problem. You will have to acquire that skills. So to overcome a challenge, you need to get skilled, whether it is an internal challenge or an external challenge. So that brings us to what are you struggling with right now? I want you to identify one external challenge and one internal challenge. One external challenge, write in your notebook, or if you want to share in the WhatsApp group, put there what is your external challenge. One, only one. I actually, in your journal you can list down all the challenges you feel you have right now. External challenges and internal challenges. Make a list of 10, 15, 20, 5, I don't know, whatever the number. Write down, these are my external challenges, these are my internal challenges. And from that list, I want you to pick up the number one external challenge and the number one internal challenge that is stopping you from growing, that is holding you, that is chaining you, because of which you are not able to move ahead. First step is awareness. Second step is acknowledgement. When you acknowledge your challenges, you are in acceptance of what is it that you need to do, then transformation happens there. Become aware, acknowledge, accept, and then only you can transform. Make sense? Right? Right? So, it is very important to look at what are you struggling with, okay? And what are your challenges, okay? Once you do that, I'll be sharing with you tomorrow that how to overcome these challenges. I will also be covering digitalization, what course to create, what will make it unique, and how to make sure that the course you are creating is relevant. Relevant means your target audience needs it. Okay, there's a need in the market. Okay, so for that, I have a 7P process to find out what is the need in the market for which you have a solution through which your target audience gets benefited. Okay, and how will you make it unique to unique to you? Because you don't want to be a vanilla ice cream, right? You should have your own flavor, right? So we will look at that. We'll also see that how to overcome your challenges tomorrow in the beginning of the session. We will do that. That's enough for today, I think. So what else I wanted to share with you? I will take your questions and answers and your assignments for today. Your assignment for today is making a list of courses. Okay, what is it that you want to digitize? Make a list, at least 3, whatever that is for you basically. Make a list of all the courses that you think you want to make, and out of that, which is the course that you should be digitizing first? Your topic, your knowledge, what should you be digitizing first? Okay, among so many things that will come tomorrow. So unless you have this assignment is called thoughts to paper. And that once you put everything on paper, you will get clarity on, what is it that you should, your next course of action, right? So I want you to make a list of all your external challenges. I want you to make a list of all your internal challenges. I want you to identify the number one external challenge, the number one internal challenge. And I also want you to make a list of all the courses that you think you have to offer, whatever knowledge, subject matter expertise you have to offer. Even if it is one, that's fine. Very good. That is a good space to be in. If you have only one, beautiful, you are lucky. Consider yourself blessed. Okay. But if you have many offerings, then make a list of many offerings. Your products and services, we will call it offerings. Okay. Offerings. You're offering that. Okay. Make sense? Make sense? So we will be looking at the marketing systems are your 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and 5 pillars, okay, which is partly monetization and marketing. So I will cover that on day 3. Tomorrow we will look at which course to create. All right. So that's all I had for today. Yay! First time in my 11th batch, I have finished on time. Otherwise, I always go 7:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock, but I'm happy, super impressed. I delivered what I had to deliver and done it timely as well. Superb. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. It was great having you on board. Now I have few asks to make. Okay, so and I'll handle your Q&A. In the meantime, if you want to be part of my community, if you want to become a world-class entrepreneur, doing things the right way, because one of my mission is learning from the best and sharing with the rest. I've invested more than 42 lakhs in last 8 years in my learnings, though I was a successful entrepreneur. Okay, so because I'm on a mission that learn from the best and share with the rest. Okay. So if you think you want to learn from me, I invite you to join my Facebook group, number 1. Number 2, it is a private group only. I will have to admit you into the group, number 1. Once you do that, I'm sharing one more link. I want you to share how the session was for you today. Okay. And if anybody would like to speak, I will unmute you. On this post, I'm just going to be making a post on Facebook. You can send your request to me. I'm right now there. And once I get your member request, I'm going to be, okay. So Vishwanath Sau, welcome. And yeah. So click on that link and you make a post. I want you to share in a specific format. Okay, why? Because otherwise, the whole agenda is lost, right? So I just want to make sure that we are focused. And once there is template for everything, it makes you focused. So you can write your sharing today's sharing like this. Okay. Your name, your profession, what is it that you want to learn in these 5 days, and what are your top learnings from day 1? I'm giving you the template. Hold on. I'm giving you the template here in the chat as well. And I'm also going to put that in the, I'm going to just make, I'll be making a post on that link. Okay. And then you can comment on that. Had an amazing session with this vibrant action taking batch of knowledge givers. I love your participation, guys. Action taking batch of knowledge givers. But I hope, please keep this momentum, because I have seen most of the batches, day 1, lot of participation, and from day 2 onwards, it goes coming down. Will you promise that your participation will continue to happen like this across 5 days? Because when you give your energies and your participation, you will receive much more. I am super energized to share more with you. Okay. Otherwise, I lose the motivation and inspiration because I feel, okay, only 2, 3 same set of people are participating. I still give you my best, okay? But if there is a collective energy which, just uplifts the entire energy of the batch, okay? So this is the post, and I want you to share in this format, okay? Your name, your profession, I've shared there. You can comment on that post. I just made a post on that link. I'll share the link again. It's handy, right? If you want, I'll share the both the things again. Yeah, you can share it later also, no problem at all. And I would be happy if you just take a picture, say, if you resonate with entrepreneurship, and if you would like to also call yourself entrepreneur, I am entrepreneur, it will be great if you can take a 5-second video, your name, what you do, and saying that I'm an entrepreneur, where I stands for innovative, insightful internet entrepreneur. Okay. Super awesome, guys. And it will also help you overcome your barrier of taking videos. It's very easy. Simply how you record your child dancing or whatever, how you record when you travel. It is as easy as that. Okay, don't worry. And we have good quality cameras and mobile phones. Okay, so don't worry. Just tick it off. Tick it off. Okay, first do it, then do it right, and then do it better. All right. So where do we send the video link? You can just, because it will be a very small video, either you can upload on your YouTube channel and send it, or you can simply attach it on the WhatsApp group and send it. You can simply, or you can upload to YouTube and as an unlisted video. Okay, if you don't have YouTube, simply send in the WhatsApp group. And if you want to really add some more things to it, yeah, in the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp group. Are you part of the WhatsApp group, Shivkami? Yeah, WhatsApp group. You can also record your top 3 learnings for the day. Okay. And hi, I am this. I'm an entrepreneur, and my top learnings from today's session is 1, 2, 3. It is very important that you make everything short and crisp, because as a knowledge giver, that is another skill that you need to acquire. That telling more in less words and using powerful words. Every day, add one new adjective, powerful adjective. Learn one new word. Like, instead of just saying success stories, say incredible success stories, amazing success stories. Okay. This is how I have groomed myself, and I want to share this as a hack, that the more you use these powerful words, it becomes high impact trainings, high impact words. Okay. So yeah, now let me address your Q&A. So we got that Facebook group you join. You can, on that post, you can comment. Let me go and approve all your requests. So I'm just going to refresh that. If you're not able to, if you don't have a Facebook account, don't want to join the Facebook group, you can simply share whatever I asked you to share in the WhatsApp group, whatever is comfortable to you. What happens is when on WhatsApp, we lose all the conversations because there are various, this is my 11th batch. So it is all in the WhatsApp group only. There's so much happening in the WhatsApp group. I just thought of making it available on the Facebook group. So it is there forever, and it saves a lot of time of managing the content. And you can also do this with your community as well. Okay, because it also helps build social proof of the work that you are doing. Okay, so continue to learn. What I do, you can implement in your business as well. All right, that is very important. Yeah. Yes, please, Partha Sarthi, you are ready. You can go. Let me address your questions. I had 2 questions here. I want to, oh, there is no question. It is just your educational training business. Okay. Okay. Anyone who would like to share how your session, how the session was for you, just say me, and I will get you speak or on video, whatever you prefer. Just say me and just type audio or video. Nilesh, you're raising your hand. So me, Kamleshwari. All right. So audio or video, Kamleshwari? I can get you on simply to speak, or if you want to come on video audio. So okay, I have allowed you to talk. So you can simply unmute yourself and speak.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
A wonderful session. Wonderful session.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for giving your time. I'm Dr. Kamleshwari Ashok.
Okay.
And I have been like, it's like searching for so many digital marketers or whatever it is, like sessions and all. But this is the apt session for me. Yeah? Thank you so much. Your deliverance, whatever it is, like it was vibrant, man. It was vibrant.
Thank you so much.
It's
so yes,
awesome. The 3 takeaways I took from you, it's a confident.
Okay.
The first thing is a confident.
Okay.
And I'm being a mom, how you have delivered the speech and all, like it's awesome. It's awesome. And I'm having the power that is like, I can also do.
Yes, everyone can. If I can do it, I'm going to share 2 of my videos in the WhatsApp group. Okay, if I can do it, you look at my first videos on October 2017.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I was kind of a perfectionist, and just to overcome my perfection, I simply recorded those videos and I simply posted it without worrying about, what people are going to think about me, because that perfection is more about what people will think.
Yeah, what we are thinking is very important than the people.
So I simply, that was my first attempt at recording videos, and I did that, and it is still on. I have not moved to private mode, because I want all of you to see where I started. This whatever stage you are in right now. That was my 2 years back.
Okay.
It is just that I consistently stayed on course. Okay. So this is how, because practice, preparation. Okay, that makes practice and preparation is what makes you confident.
It's awesome. I want to credit you. That is like the appreciation is very, very important.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Love you a lot. Love you a lot.
Love you too. Okay, so thank you so much for being part of my community and coming.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Great. Let's get Shiv Kami and then Sagar also. Thank you, Kamleshwari, for your sharing. I'm going to get Shiv Kami allowed to talk. Okay. Please unmute yourself.
Hi, Vandana. Hi, Vandana.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, clear.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful session, and I must compliment you. I was so impressed by the content, the fact that you are really breaking it down and simplifying it to us to, actually clarify the doubts that were there in our heads. And today was the first session, and somehow I feel very hopeful that I think my questions are going to be answered in the next 5 days. Yes. So really, thank you so much. And the 3 takeaways I really took from today's session is, I think the first one that you set up was, please have a clear intention to receive. So that was wonderful. I think that's one of the most important things. Secondly, that you've kind of simplified it and told us that, clearly identify what are your challenges, which is the most difficult part for all of us. It's all in the head, but to break it down, actually write it, and someone's taking account of it, that's really nice of you to have, tell us to do that. And thirdly, I am so looking forward to seeing the courses that you're going to be telling us how to actually get it digitized, which is something that has always been confusing me and not making me take that step. And I've actually, like the previous speaker mentioned, we were looking out for so many online people who are training us and telling us. I've also taken so many sessions, but I haven't really been convinced. Today's session gave me the hope. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much for sharing, coming and speaking, Shiv Kami, because Yeah, there are I often get to hear this that you may have done many programs, many coaches, and it has been happening for last few months, like a lot of programs and WhatsApp classes and 99 rupees, 199 rupees. And if it in a way it is spoiling the market because people don't deliver what they commit, and it brings down the hopes of people who think that they are going to get something. So I also want to make sure that you get massive value out of the time that you are giving me here. And I am not a coach. I'm not your coach. I'm more like a mentor and consultant because I've walked the path and I know this is what works. And I've tried many ways of doing things. And I would love to share. So my interest is to empower people with right knowledge, right insights, right wisdom at this stage itself, so that you no longer get derailed by shiny offerings in the market. So thank you so much.
Yeah, I so agree.
And I welcome you, and I am so glad that you came forward and shared what you're feeling. So I'm super excited, and I'm going to just be on time every day. These 5 days are equivalent to 3 years of learning. I'm sharing my nichode of these digital world. It is not just 3 years, my 14 years of entrepreneurship, 24 years of professional life, and 45 years of my life, 46 years of my life on this planet. I'm a good teacher. I was always a good teacher. I didn't realize that. Okay. So I can simplify things, as you rightly pointed out, but I never wanted to be in the teaching profession. Okay.
I know.
So now
but
I see.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So grateful and so hopeful for really taking some of your learnings, and using it, to be honest. Selfishly saying that openly, that I would really love to implement even if I can understand whatever I can from the 5 days.
You will be. All of you, I have an input for you. Simply observe, keep observing, and absorbing, and applying. I call it the O2A formula, oxygen, O2A. Okay, observe, O-double-A. Okay, observe, absorb, and apply. So if you are simply focusing all your attention on watching me, observing me, and absorbing without getting, disattentive by attending to phone calls or eating or walking, doing all those things. If you are simply observing and absorbing, you will be able to apply, because that's how I teach. That's my strength. So you will remember everything.
I see that.
Wherever you need to. Now, all I ask is your focused attention across these 5 days. That's all.
Totally yours. Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Let's get.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for speaking, and welcome on board. I look forward to serving you with whatever you intend to receive from me. Okay.
Thank you.
Let's get Sagar. Sagar, you can unmute.
Am I audible now, ma'am? Hello?
Yes, you are audible. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I'd like to thank God that I saw your post and registered without wasting my time, without applying my brains. And one more thing I want to ask, ma'am. Can I speak in Hindi a bit?
Of course. Bilkul.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, your session was simply phenomenal, ma'am. Best session till date, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I simply got a hope today. Yes, I can do with your support and teachings, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sagar. Thank you for. What are your learnings today?
My learning today was that एक तो ये line मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी कि अब teachers का time आ गया है.
Yes. अपना टाइम आ गया.
अपना टाइम आ गया. और second चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी, if you want to save time, spend money, and vice versa.
Yes. If you got that, Sagar, as I remember, you are an employee, right? You shared, right?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay.
No, ma'am. I'm a teacher. I'm having my own institute.
Okay.
But now want to digitalize.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. Great. So that is why you have an entrepreneurial mindset, right? That realizing that you are either trading your time for money or you can be trading your money for money.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, ma'am.
So that is a very important learning that is required, right? Knowing that itself will, it's a huge growth blocker remover.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
because when you understand that, you will be making a lot of good decisions with respect to time as well as money.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
So super excited to have you in my community, and I hope you will make the most of the learnings that you are going to receive this week.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. Love to do it, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sagar.
Thank
So
you.
those who are still here, anyone else who want to share? Otherwise, I just want to play one video. Some people have already left, but I just realized that I wanted to share one video today with you guys. So anyone else who wants to share? Otherwise, I'm just going to play a video. And after that, we are going to close today's session. Thank you, Deepak ji. You're saying that I was losing hope in online courses till I got into your course. I missed the last 40 minutes, but I'll cover the recording. Okay. So Nilesh says it was amazing. Yes, you will get the video, but it will be available only till 5:30 p.m. tomorrow. So you finish it before you come for the next session. Whether you are doing the assignments or not, it has nothing to do with me. It is for your own clarity and growth. Okay. But if you would like to have my inputs, and if you share the assignment in the group, if you are ready for your work to get reviewed, if you want me to answer your Q&A, it will make sense that you, work on take actions on your learnings, and then we will take it forward from there. I'm going to be just playing a video now, and then after that, I'll see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. We will look at digitalization, which course to create, and the GPS system, and the 7P process, and also the 6S system. Okay, these are very powerful. So very, very powerful stuff, guys. It will give you a lot of clarity on what should you digitalize and how to digitalize. For that, how to create a video. I'm going to be sharing a 20-minute video link to you, and you guys can go over it, and that will help you record the course. So digitalization is just a 4-step process, and we will be looking at that tomorrow, right? Yes, great. So let me play that video. I'm going to be sharing the screen. It is a short video, but a very empowering video. So let me just go ahead and play that. I'm not sure if you are able to see. I'll do a full screen share. Can you see the video? Pause it. Can you see the video? Is the video clear?
Yes, we can. We can.
All right, great. Okay. So what did you learn from that ad? What did you learn from that video? What is your takeaway from that video? What is your takeaway from that video? Focused? Yes. Practice? Perfect. I love this batch. Awesome, guys. We can do anything. That is a little incomplete statement. We have to add more things to that. That's incomplete. We can do anything, but we need to know what is it that we want. Preparation, consistency, purpose. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I love this batch. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Work for purpose. Beautiful. Consistency and commitment to goal. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. That's super awesome, right? What else we have here? Immediately start, even if it means small steps. Yes, use the emotional energy. Yes, persistence and success. Propose purpose and commitment. I'm unable to understand. Okay, intentional work. Support mentor. Support mentor. Well, in this video, yeah, okay. Support mentor. Okay, so my great guys, you are all thinking on the right lines. I want to share what I felt after watching that video. That whatever your goal, be clear on what you want. It can be as simple as he wanted to just lift his granddaughter. Okay, just lift his granddaughter for Christmas. So for that, there was a purpose, there was a motivation, there was an inspiration for him to do something. So what's your inspiration? What's your motivation? What is it that you want? Be very clear. Do you want to earn 3 lakh per month? Do you want to earn 1 lakh per month? Do you want to earn 5 lakh per month? Do you want to earn 50,000 per month? Fine. If money is your goal, great. Okay. You want to work with 100 students, 100 participants, 100 customers. What is your goal? Put that, because that will give you focus. Because all your energies will work towards your ideas, your thoughts, your energies, everything will flow in that direction, right? So first of all, ask yourself, what is it that you want? 3 months from now, 6 months from now, what is it that you want, right? Number one. Once that is clear, you will have, there is a preparation stage for whatever you want. Right? There will be people mocking at you, laughing at you. Those people who are mocking, your own family members will stop you from doing what you are doing. But he stayed on course, not listening to anyone. He started in summer for winter, on Christmas to lift his granddaughter. So he put practice and effort and consistency in that effort every day without getting worried about failures, without getting demoralized that I'm not able to do it, without worrying about what others are saying. He simply stayed focused. There was a preparation time, because I hope you do realize that by preparing to fail, without right preparation, you are preparing to simply fail, right? If you want to lose 5 kgs in 1 month, will you start losing weight on 25th of the month or from the 1st of the month? So there is a preparation time for whatever you want to do. So get skilled. Your preparation time is not only skilled, high income skill set. See, if you want to get skilled, you can just learn how to what do you say? How to be a worker, okay? How to lay tiles, okay? You can get skilled how to cook, okay? Or you are getting skilled on a lucrative profit-making business, right? Because if you want to become a cook, what is the kind of money you will generate? But if that makes you happy, great. Is that what you are a very good chef? Great, right? But it is important to identify how you have to acquire skills, which skills, something that will give you 1,000 rupees an hour, 5,000 rupees an hour, 50,000 rupees an hour, which skill, high income skill set. So if you learn the language of the digital world, if you learn the skills that are needed to sail through in the digital world, you will not just survive, you will thrive. And that is called high income skill set. Okay. I'm going to be showing you what is it that you need to get skilled on across these 5 days, so that these are not just ordinary skills, these are high income skill set. All right. Make sense? All right, guys, thank you for your time today, and I will see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. sharp. Till then, keep growing, keep evolving. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. I was super happy to be your host today, and I look forward to a lot more action, lot more enthusiasm. I want this batch to break all my past batches record consistently. Every day you are going to show this energy, you are going to show up. The number of people who are present will not come down because recordings are available. Okay, so make sure that you break all the past records of the batches. Okay, I really want to see all of you so engaged, so involved, so action oriented, thinking in the right direction across all the 5 days. Daily webinar time, Vijay, is 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. every day. The Zoom link remains the same. It's in the WhatsApp group. I hope you are in the WhatsApp group. Okay. 6 p.m. every day. Any more questions? Anyone has questions? Yeah, Rucha, thank you so much. I've ignited your mind. Okay. So, okay, because you have brought that word, I also need to share something now. Okay. See, even if you are a dynamite, you still need a trigger to explode. Everyone needs a mentor in their life. If Sachin was a dynamite, he needed his brother as his coach. If Messi is a dynamite, he needed a coach. Why do you think why the Indian team has a coach? All players are dynamites by themselves, right? Can't they do everything on their own? Can't they play cricket on their own? Why they need a coach? Why a football team needs a coach? They're all dynamites, right? They're all skilled players. They know their stuff. You guys know your stuff. But to be successful in the world, that is a lot more than your own inborn talents and skills. You need to acquire external skills. You need to be in the company of someone who is 10x, 100x times ahead of you in the journey. So they can also pull you in that direction, right? So even if you are a dynamite, you still need a trigger to explode. I am willing to be that trigger for you. All right. Thank you so much. Yes, everyone gets today's recorded video. I am going to be sharing the link in the WhatsApp group. Yes. Yes, Rucha. Rucha, you are author Rucha, right? You had joined before and you could not make it because there was an emergency in the home, right? Because I had one Rucha, author Rucha, and I loved the book cover. No? Okay. There was one more Rucha who had joined the program, and she was an author. A beautiful book cover. I loved the design of the book cover, and she's not able to continue the sessions because of a family emergency. So somehow I thought Rucha is back. No problem at all. All right. So everything on the WhatsApp group now. Your assignments, what you need to do, I will post it again in the group. Everyday video link will be uploaded in YouTube. It will be posted in the group. And Zoom link remains the same every day. Be there by 555. 555 is a number of transformation. It's a number of change. It's a number of growth. So make sure you are there at 555 every day. And you find yourself a comfortable place so that nobody is disturbing you. Simply by observing and absorbing what I am sharing, you can apply it in your lives. All right. So take care. Good night, everybody. And I will see you tomorrow. If you have questions, I have given a link to post your questions. I will give it there. Also your challenges, you can fill up that form, because I walk through all your challenges and questions later after the session to make sure that I cover everything that you're asking. Okay. Or if you are sharing a challenge which I have not listed in my set of challenges, then I have to make sure that I address that as well. So please do put it. The links I will share in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Because here it will get lost. The chat gets lost after the session. So I'm going to be sharing there. Join my Facebook group. All the instructions, what you need to do, I'll share in the WhatsApp group, and I will see you tomorrow. Right? Take care, guys. Bye for now.